Kumar Moria. I am a dual degree student at IIT Kharagpur. This is one of my major projects that is rock mass blasting prediction system. It is full stack projects that is used to predict the outcomes like fragmentations, vibration level, sound level based on the input field. For this project, I used React.js frontend, Fast API as a backend, and to train the models, I used random forest, XGBoost, support vector regression. So, in mining, generally, output field data are predicted by using the empirical formula, sometimes inaccurate. So, I decided to make a full stack project that predicts the outcome based on data driven model. So, let's see how it works. This is the interface of the prediction model. Here we can enter the custom ID. So by using later on we can fetch the what are the our input and output field data. So let's fill the input field. Let's change the type of the rock coal. Let's take a density 2500. Usage 10. Okay, elastic modulus. Take some random value. Fracture, number of holes, blasting diameter, charge length, streaming, explosive type used in what's the delay timing, what's the explosive weight, burden, spacing diameter. So we will predict. So this is the result. So I make a table that compare what should be the outcomes by using the empirical formula and different types of the model. So we can see uh, for vibration level, my model is predicting by using support vector 95.47 decibel and by Lenge force that is 77.33. So these are the input field data. So there is one of the ID that can be used to later on fetch the data in history. So this is the interface of the history. So here we can enter this ID and we can fetch the input. So these are the data we have entered during the prediction. These were the outcomes. We can export this data in Excel file. Here we can edit it also, and based on editions, it will recalculate the outcomes. So there is the dark theme and white theme also. So that is another part is the cost calculator. By using we can calculate the what is the total cost of this type of the operations. So we can calculate it. So it will break down the costing and it will show the what is the total cost and what is the total cost per ton should be. So there is the setting parts where we can save our data and in privacy we can on email notification. So let's say we made some changes, so changes will be sent to users. Here we can change the mode in which we want to export our data files like in JSON, CSV, Excel, and at what time we want to keep our data in our database so we can save it. Like we have option 7 days. Here we can download all of our data. Here we can here we can change a password and also delete our account. So we let's go to MongoDB. Here to store the data, I used MongoDB. So here we can see the type of the columns, raw data, setting, and users. So here some of the data are present already there that I have used to predict the outcomes. We can see here. So this is the of our backend. So I save the joblib file for to use the model, like different types of model. There are the file like main.py where logics are written. We can see here. And for front end, this is my GitHub repository. So this project has the benefit that can overcome our calculation part that is take to time and maybe that is not sometimes correct. So that's it. Thank you.